Good morning, respected Principal, Brother Jerome, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, Class 12A is going to focus on the importance of challenges in our life. The topic of today's assembly is if you don't challenge yourself, you won't change yourself. We would like to begin our assembly with a short prayer.
Please join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer and be conscious of the presence of God amongst us right here. Dear God, please give me strength when I am weak, love when I feel forsaken, courage when I am afraid, wisdom when I feel foolish, and comfort when I am alone. Dear God, please give me the courage to face challenges in life. Help me to persevere and to not give up. Dear God, fill me with your wisdom to make the right decisions and your peace to calm my anxieties. Dear God, when I face challenging situations, may I turn to you for strength and guidance. Guide my steps and fill me with your peace. Amen.
All achievements in life need preparation. There is no overnight success. Achieving goals requires being prepared. As the old saying goes, if you are ready, you don't have to get ready. Challenges in life are the opportunities to change, to improve, and to achieve your goals. Challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. If we don't challenge ourselves, we will never realize what we can become. Only those who risk going too far can find out how far one can go.
Always trust in yourself and your abilities. There is no challenge more challenging than the challenge to improve yourself. Leo Tolstoy once said, "Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself." The only thing we can change is within us. We have little control over the circumstances around us. When we are no longer able to change the situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. As soon as we get settled in a daily schedule that makes life comfortable, life throws in a curveball. The best thing to do with a curveball is to recognize it and drill it into the opposite field. When we face difficult times, know that challenges are not sent to destroy you. They are sent to promote, increase, and strengthen you. They make our life better, not bitter.
Challenge yourself every day to do better and be better. Always growth starts with a decision to move beyond our present circumstances. The moment we stop accepting challenges is the moment we stop moving forward. Be your biggest competitor. Challenge yourself each day to be better than you were yesterday. Be thankful for each new challenge because it will build your strength and character. When we accept new challenges, it fuels our thinking process. We learn new things, meet new people, change old beliefs, and discard useless thoughts. It sharpens our minds and expands our perspective. Embrace discomfort, for growth never comes from staying in the familiar. Every challenge is an opportunity to rise, to push beyond limits, and to discover the strength within. The greatest battles are fought in the mind. Conquer your doubts, and the world will follow.
Every successful change, you get gratification, a sense of contentment. With every unsuccessful change, you learn something new to use in the next challenge. Thomas Alva Edison once said, "I have not failed. I have just found 9,999 ways that won't work." Don't look at failures as setbacks, but rather learn from them. Analyze what you could have done better and use learning in your next challenge.
Challenges trigger creativity. Challenges are meant to push you. You will often find yourself pushed to the limits of your time, patience, and capacity. Creativity will be your best friend in times like these, and will help you prevail and come out on top. Challenges will expand your social growth. You can't grow in isolation. At times, you will need to meet new people to help and seek help from. The right mindset with these meetings can give a huge boost to both your confidence and eventually your social status.
Reasons why we need to accept challenges in life, growth and personal development. Facing challenges pushes you out of your comfort zone, encouraging self-improvement and helping you develop new skills and perspectives. Increased confidence. Successfully confronting challenges boosts self-confidence and self-belief as you realize your capacity to handle different situations. Learning from failure. Not all challenges result in immediate success, but failure teaches valuable lessons and motivates you. Challenges help us to identify problem solving skills, teaches patience and foster adaptability. Wake up to reality, confront the real world as it is, rather than avoiding difficult situations or living in denial.
History is full of examples where people achieve their success by facing challenges. Some of them are as follows. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein, the genius behind the theory of relativity, faced numerous challenges throughout his life. As a child, he struggled with the rigidity of traditional education system, which stifled his unconventional thinking. One of Einstein's famous quotes, "In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity," encapsulates his approach to challenges. Despite being labeled a poor student, Einstein's curiosity and passion for learning propelled him forward. He faced rejection and isolation, but he never let these obstacles deter him, and through countless experiments and failures led to groundbreaking achievements. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple, also faced significant challenges. After being ousted from Apple, the company he helped to create, Jobs could have easily given up. Instead, he founded Next and acquired Pixel, both of which became immensely successful. His return to Apple marked the beginning of a new era of innovation with products like the iPhone and iPad, revolutionizing technology and redefining entire industries. Jobs' resilience, creativity, and determination allowed him to transform challenges into stepping stones towards success.
Walt Disney. While Walt Disney is remembered for his many successes like Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and Disneyland, Disney was turned down 302 times when trying to find financing for Disney. He also saw his share of failures, including a bankruptcy, a mental breakdown, a devastating strike, and the loss of control over his own creation, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Disney once said, "You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you." Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. Yes, the man who is known for his splendid inventions, revolutionized the world with the creation of practical electric bulbs. He is the man who created the phonograph, the motion picture camera, and numerous other devices that have shaped the modern world. He was famous for his trial and error method. But even with all of the success he achieved, he had to face numerous challenges in his journey to this point. Around the age of 12, Edison lost almost all his hearing. Edison struggled to secure funding for his inventions and projects, and including these were many challenges, but these were the things that made his will to achieve success stronger and stronger. Thomas Edison's story is an example of perseverance and willingness to learn from failure.
As we reflect on everything we have discussed today, it is clear that students often face issues such as difficulty in understanding complex topics, time management, peer pressure, and dealing with high expectations from parents and teachers. They may also struggle with personal issues, health problems, or balancing schoolwork with extracurricular activities. Challenges help them build resilience, foster a growth mindset, and equip with valuable life skills. Challenges aren't just obstacles, they are opportunities. They shape us, push us beyond our limits, and help us discover our true potential. Whether it's the wisdom of Thomas Edison's persistence, the creativity sparked by adversity, or the remarkable journeys of people like Steve Jobs and Walt Disney. The message is clear. Without challenges, there is no growth. Without struggle, there is no strength. And without failure, there is no true success. So, let's not fear challenges, let's welcome them. Let's see them not as burdens but as stepping stones toward a better version of ourselves. Every challenge you face brings with it a lesson, a new possibility, and a chance to rise higher. Remember, if you don't challenge yourself, you will never change yourself. So step out of your comfort zone, embrace the unknown, and dare to grow. With that, let's end this assembly on a high note with a song that captures the spirit of courage and transformation. Thank you.
Got a long way to go, got a long memories. I've been searching for an answer, always just out of reach. Blood on the floor, sirens repeat. I've been searching for the courage to face my enemies when they turn down the lights. I hear my battle symphony, all the world in front of me. If my armor breaks, I fuse it back together. Battle symphony, please just don't give up on me. And my eyes are wide awake for my battle symphony. Battle symphony. They say I don't belong, say that I should retreat, that I'm marching to the rhythm of a lonesome defeat. But the sound of your voice, no surrender, no illusions, and for better or worse, when they turn down the lights, I hear my battle symphony. All the world in front of me, my armor breaks, I fuse it back together. Battle symphony, please just don't give up on me. My eyes are wide awake for my battle symphony, for my battle symphony. For my battle symphony, for my battle symphony.
We thank class 12 for the important topic which is spoken about this morning. The topic on challenge. You've heard so many examples which they have given you. People who kept trying. Even though they failed, they accepted the challenge and they kept going. As we begin the year 2025, it is the duty and responsibility of every single student here to take the challenge to study and to do well, and the challenge to live according to the values which you have been taught over all these years. So wishing you a good day, wishing you a good week, and I'm sure you will make yourself proud, you will make us proud of you. Have a lovely day.